So this is going to be the last lab in Azure 900 series, and in this lab we are going to configure a resource log. So I'm going to read this description for you. In this exercise, you will create a resource and configure a resource log. Storage count are one of the easier type of resource logs to quickly see the impact. So you will see a storage account for this exercise. This exercise is a bring on your own subscription exercise, meaning you will need to provide an Azure subscription to complete the exercise. Yeah, we can always use this account. So now first of all, we are going to create a resource. As we did in our last lab, we are going to create a storage account. This is the value that we are going to enter. First two are already selected. The storage account name is going to be the cloud shell default, and it is going to be local. Review and create. Validation is in progress. Once validated, we will create this storage account, and now deployment is in progress. We have done these steps. Once deployment is done, we will go to resource and we will apply a read-only resource log to our this storage account. So now inside settings, we are going to go inside logs and select add. Log name is going to be lab 5, and we are going to give it read only. We will do delete as well, but first let us go with read only. Now we will go and create a container. Container is going to be lab 5 container, and so fail to create a container. Why? Because we have set up a lock on this particular storage account, so we can't create our container, right? So now we are going to change the log permission, then we are able to see how we are going to how if we are going to create container then or no. Now we are going inside logs again. We're going to edit this log. We're going to change its permission to delete. And then we again going to create container. Now we are going to create a container. You see, successfully created storage container. Now there is no lock on this container. We don't have read-only lock set up on this particular storage account. So we are able to create a container. Now let us try to delete the storage account. Okay. You will actually do this last task twice. Remember that there is a delete lock on the storage account, so you won't able to delete. So now lock is set up on delete. Now we are trying to delete this particular storage and we can't. And it says here clearly Cloud Shell can't be deleted because this resource or its parent has a delete lock. So the purpose of this lab is to show us about the various log access we have on our account, on our particular storage resource. Now we are going to remove the log. Select the storage account. Let's delete this basically. Now we are going to overview and delete. It says log is still there. This resource has no log. Refresh. Overview. Delete. Enter the okay, let me copy this. Now we are able to delete the storage account. So this is really beneficial. If we set up a lock on a resource, we can set specific informations. If we just want to set up read only access, we can do that. If we want to set up delete so that nobody can delete the particular resource, we can set up that access as well. So this is all about this lab, and we have completed our Azure 900 series of labs. Thank you.